To add a document to our workspace, click the plus button in the left-hand menu, then Doc, then New Doc. I'll call this Recording Checklist. I'll keep the privacy set to main, and then I'll click Create Doc. For teams that have standard operating procedures or reference materials, documents come in handy. You can see here that we have a block editor, and there's every type of block that we can imagine. So you have the flexibility to format your document in the way that you want. We also have the ability to add things, like our boards from Monday.com, right into our new document. If you don't want to start from scratch, you can start with a template. You can choose one of these templates after you've started the doc, or you can come back to Add, Doc, Start with Template. Let's say you'd like to create a doc for meeting minutes. I'll select this one and use Template. Monday.com is going to create our template boards. In this template, Monday.com will create an outline of some meeting minutes. Then they'll create a board for action items, and then they'll place that board action items directly into the template itself. If we go visit that new board action items, and we change the name of item 1, then we return to the meeting summary, you can see how these items are linked in real time.